If you're looking to be more creative as a way to distress and calm your mind, but you just don't know how, or maybe you haven't painted in a while and want to get back into it, or perhaps you're an artist in the process of growing and developing your skills further, but could use some mindfulness, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Adrian, an artist with over 20 years of experience in different media. I have exhibited in different galleries and museums nationally, and my work is collected worldwide. I have created this channel to share my artistic creations and knowledge and to promote some relaxation and mindfulness. Well, it doesn't matter where you are in the creative journey. If you just want to doodle and relax, I have videos for that. If you want a basic step-by-step tutorial on how to use markers and paint to create fun, vibrant designs on your sketchbook, I have videos for that. Hey, I even have videos on how to use clay. So I am glad that you're here. Subscribe and join the Artsy Soul channel. Paint with me, watch my videos, and let's be creative together.